Hey there, Wanderlusters! Welcome to Offbeat Wanderlust, your go-to channel for fun, quirky, and unforgettable travel experiences. Today, we're diving into the heart of Bavaria, Munich. Did you know that Munich's famous Glockenspiel clock has over 32 life-sized figures that dance every day? Pretty wild, right? Now, the best time to visit Munich is between May and September for gorgeous weather and outdoor festivals. And the best way to get around? Grab yourself a bike or hop on the efficient U-Bahn. Stick around until the end, because number 10 on our list is something you absolutely can't miss. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more adventures, and check the description for all the links. Number 1. Take a Third Reich Walking Tour. Let's kick things off with a deep dive into history. Munich was the birthplace of the Nazi Party, and while that's a heavy topic, it's crucial to understanding the city's past. On the Third Reich Walking Tour, you'll visit key historical sites and learn about Munich's role during one of the darkest periods in human history. The guides are full of knowledge, so you'll be getting the facts straight from the experts. Plus, you'll burn off those Bavarian pretzels while walking. It's educational, eye-opening, and a must-do for history buffs. And hey, you'll leave with stories way better than "I went to a beer garden." Number 2. Pedal through the city with a guided bike tour. Munich is a cyclist's dream, so why not explore the city on two wheels with a guided bike tour? It's not only eco-friendly, but also gives you the chance to see more of the city in less time. You'll glide past the stunning English Garden, the Royal Palace, and even grab a quick photo op at the Isar River. Plus, biking is basically guilt-free exercise, so feel free to reward yourself with a bratwurst afterward. Your guide will share fun facts about the city, so you'll be pedaling and laughing the whole way. And don't worry, no Tour de France experience required. Number 3. Beer and food tour with dinner and Oktoberfest museum. If you love beer, who doesn't? You can't miss this one. Munich is the beer capital of the world, and on this beer and food tour, you'll taste it like a local. You'll start by learning the ins and outs of Bavarian beer culture at the Oktoberfest Museum. Then, you'll sample different brews, and each one will be paired with delicious traditional dishes like pretzels, sausages, and roast pork. It's dinner and a history lesson rolled into one. Plus, you'll get tips on how to survive Oktoberfest, even if you're not going in October. Just remember, pace yourself. Number 4. Marvel at the art at the Alte Pinakothek. For all the art lovers out there, Munich's Alte Pinakothek is a must-see. Home to one of the oldest and most extensive art collections in the world, this museum features masterpieces from the Middle Ages to the 18th century. We're talking about works from legends like Rubens, Rembrandt, and Leonardo da Vinci. The best part? If you go on a Sunday, entry is only €1. It's like getting a front row seat to art history without breaking the bank. Plus, you can feel super cultured when you tell people you spent an afternoon staring at a Van Gogh. Not a bad brag, right? Number 5. Relax at the English Garden for free. Next up, we've got the English Garden, one of the largest urban parks in the world. It's even bigger than New York's Central Park. Whether you're looking to sunbathe, enjoy a picnic, or simply people watch, this park has it all. You can stroll along peaceful walking paths, rent a paddle boat on the lake, or even watch surfers tackle the man-made wave on the Eisbach River. And did I mention it's free? That's right. You don't have to spend a single euro to enjoy this slice of green paradise. So, grab a blanket and some snacks and soak in the chill Munich vibes. Number 6. Explore Nymphenburg Palace and Gardens. Feel like royalty for a day by visiting the stunning Nymphenburg Palace. This Baroque masterpiece was once the summer residence of Bavarian monarchs, and it's easy to see why. The palace's lavish interiors will have you feeling like you stepped into a fairy tale, while the expansive gardens are perfect for a relaxing stroll. Don't forget to check out the famous Hall of Mirrors. It's like a mini Versailles right in Munich. The best part? You can enjoy the gardens for free. So if you're craving a little luxury but want to save your cash for pretzels, this is your spot. Number 7. Discover Munich's quirky side at the Deutsches Museum, calling all science nerds and, well, everyone else. The Deutsches Museum is the world's largest museum dedicated to science and technology. With over 28,000 exhibits, you can easily lose track of time exploring everything from space exploration to nanotechnology. There are interactive displays and hands-on exhibits, so it's fun for adults and kids alike. Ever wanted to operate a wind turbine? Here's your chance. Plus, where else can you say you learned about quantum physics and how to build a boat in one afternoon? It's a quirky, educational adventure that's definitely worth adding to your Munich itinerary. Number 8. Climb St. Peter's Church Tower for panoramic views. If you're ready to climb some stairs for epic views, then St. Peter's Church Tower, or Old Peter as the locals call it, is your go-to. This tower offers some of the best panoramic views of Munich. On a clear day, you can even spot the Alps in the distance. Sure, there are 299 steps to the top, but think of it as your workout for the day. Plus, the reward is well worth it. You'll get a bird's eye view of iconic sites like Marienplatz and the Frauenkirche. Just make sure to bring your camera for those Instagram-worthy shots. Number 9. Browse the stalls at Viktualienmarkt. Foodies, this one's for you. The Viktualienmarkt is Munich's oldest farmers market, and it's packed with local produce, meats, cheeses, and of course, pretzels. Whether you're craving fresh fruit, gourmet sausages, or sweet pastries, you'll find it all here. Stroll through the colorful stalls, sample some delicious bites, and pick up a few goodies for later. There's also a beer garden smack in the middle of the market because, well, it's Munich. It's the perfect spot to grab a local brew and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Plus, it's free to wander, so even if you don't buy anything, it's a great way to experience local culture. Number 10. Ride the roller coasters at Theresienwiese, not just for Oktoberfest. Now, for the grand finale. Theresienwiese is world famous for hosting Oktoberfest, but did you know it also transforms into a massive fun fair during other festivals? If you're in Munich during the summer, you can experience roller coasters, carnival rides, and even traditional Bavarian games at festivals like Frühlingsfest or Tollwood. It's Oktoberfest vibes without the crazy crowds, and perfect for families or anyone looking to unleash their inner child. Whether you're down for some cotton candy, bumper cars, or a giant Ferris wheel, Theresienwiese offers fun year-round. And hey, if you do visit during Oktoberfest, it's double the fun. Thanks for watching! And that's a wrap, fellow travelers. Thanks for sticking around for our top 10 unique things to do in Munich. We hope you're feeling inspired to explore this incredible city in a whole new way. Don't forget to subscribe to Offbeat Wanderlust for more exciting travel tips and adventures. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you're most excited to try in Munich. All the links for tours and activities are down below, so go ahead and plan that trip. See you in the next adventure. Safe travels!